Hello everyone, I'm Nicholas from Power User, and today we'll talk about the tombstone. But what are they? The tombstone, also known as credentials, are a concise description of past client engagement, used to highlight your expertise with specific industry or type of project. They are frequently used in consulting or finance to support proposal or pitch, showing similar assignment completed for other clients to illustrate your credibility and past successes. With Power User, you can very easily find the most relevant tombstone from your organization and generate perfectly formatted slides. Let's see how. Here, I'm gonna open the library. I will go to the tombstone and I will just put the name of a company. Let's start with Deloitte. And I can find a case study that we did for Deloitte. I will just click here and insert the selected tombstone. And thanks to this, you can have this kind of template created in just a click. But now we have other possibilities in terms of layout. I had this case study example, but if I wanted to present a slide with 8 logos or more, or eventually logos, one information like the date and a little comment text. I'm going to select this. Let's close now. Up, move out from Deloitte. You see the other tombstone thanks to this new layout. And I'm going to be able to filter also with the year, the countries, the client name, and of course the industry. But you can also have different filters. Let's select the consulting. And thanks to this, I will be able to select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 companies, insert selected tombstone, and you have this kind of template created in just one click. So if you need to present your most relevant tombstone from your organization, thanks to Power User, you can do it automatically and in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.